Okay, this is how you schedule your post on LinkedIn using Airtable and N8N. So I have created a post called as scheduled post. So these are all the generated posts when AI comes in and generates a post for you, right? So it goes inside the generated post. For example, you like this one, and then in the scheduled post you provide what date and time you want to schedule it for. Let's say 27th. At what time, since it's London time zone, and then it says 8 p.m. and I think I need to remove this thing. Okay, and then for myself, what I have done, so I need schedule status, edit, single select, schedule status. So this one will be draft mode, the other one will be scheduled, the other one will be posted, this one will be yellow, and this one will be green, and then the default will be draft, and we say create a field. Then we also add one more field to the left and we say formula. In the formula we say system trigger. In the system trigger we paste in this formula where we say the schedule status is scheduled, then schedule post. Then we paste this formula in which we say that the schedule status is scheduled, then put the number 1 according to that. Once we do scheduled, create field, and inside this one so if you click on scheduled and if it is past the current time, then it will change it to 1. So let's say I just move it to 25th, it will change to 1. Once it is moved to 1, then we create a new field, new view, where we say ready to publish. In this one we just want to see all the conditions where the system trigger is 1, right? Once we see over here that if it is 1, we can just move this accordingly. So we also need to add one more thing. So we can add account, and we can just say for which personal account link, and we can also add personal LinkedIn account and company LinkedIn account. So once we do this, let's just change the color just for fun. Okay, and then we say save it, and then if the user is coming here and he wants to schedule this, he has scheduled this one and I want to use it for this personal account. If I go back to this one, it changes. Okay, it changes to personal account. If I change this one to company, it will always come back and it will change to, oh wait, I need to delete this then. Okay, grid view. So okay, so if I change this one to personal, so on our main view, this is our main view, that is a grid view, and this will also add one more filter called as personal, and then we won't be adding over here, we will be adding on the grid view personal. So we like this post, we want to schedule this post. Now where you want to schedule it? You want to schedule it for the personal or we want to schedule it for the company? I say personal. Since it's past the date, it's past the time, like 1 minute past the deadline, now we'll go back to our N8N. We'll schedule the trigger. We'll say every 5 minutes you check the LinkedIn account system that I have created. If you want to have a look as to what it does, you can check out my other links as well. So search record. So I have told him in the postal Airtable search the record, AI LinkedIn content engine where the table name is generated post over here, and then we apply this specific formula if and schedule status, the same thing that we did for our formula inside where we have provided the value. So all post system trigger, this one, this is the same value which we are using. If you are showcasing to this to your client, all you have to just hide this field because it's not useful to them. This is just for the N8N. Now you go back, and once you see that okay, we are setting this as per the London time, and you have provided the formula, and then if you go back and check, you have provided the formula. Now it will run. So if we check the records, let me just show you the success one. This one. Okay, so it searches the record, it finds the record because I was writing about F1 car. This finds the record post which was inside the LinkedIn. It checks, and then make sure that the limit is only 1, otherwise there will be multiple posts going into your LinkedIn account and it will be very hard to delete if you are scaling it in the future. In the switch node, we are mentioning that if it is for the personal account, remember we mentioned over here which account it is for, personal or company. Then if it is personal, then inside the N8N it will go to the personal account, that is at the bottom. I have created my own personal LinkedIn account credentials, you can do it too. Once it goes there, it posts on the LinkedIn, and then the most important update is we have to close the loop. Otherwise what will happen is this cycle will run every 5 minutes, and once it runs every 5 minutes, then you will be, because you haven't updated the status of the same post, so what it does, then it goes from scheduled to posted. Once it goes from scheduled to posted, it comes out of the loop, so it doesn't run again. So it only runs one time on your LinkedIn account. Hope this was helpful. Thank you. Bye.